Here's a little New Year's birding tradition. The first bird you spot in the new year acts as an omen for the year ahead. So once you identify your bird, you can Google its symbolism really quick. Or if you're familiar with the bird, you can base it off what you feel it represents. That's what I'll be doing this year because one time Google told me that a robin represents romantic love and that didn't happen. So for example, if I see a woodpecker, I'll assume I have to work hard this year. Or if I see a sparrow, I'll assume I have to stay grounded. And I don't want to hear anything negative if you see an owl or a raven, guys. Don't do it. Also, don't get excited if you see a robin or a cardinal. Love's not coming your way.